Okay, you guys, so I'm actually not supposed to go decor shopping yet. I'm supposed to go tomorrow when my paycheck comes, but I cannot wait. Today is Wednesday and I need to hit Target and 99 Cents store and just make sure that I can get all the spooky stuff before it sells out. I'm at 99 Cents store and they already are putting up the Christmas decorations, as you can see over there. They said today is the last day to shop fall and Halloween because this is all the stock they have left. It's December 13th, guys. There were these cute little teal pumpkins, but they're already gone. So I think I'm just gonna pick up this for my countertops. I'm also getting a foam pumpkin for the bathroom that will match the teal, this little sign for the bookcase, and a table runner. These wreaths were $3 each. I got one for the outside, one for the inside, and then I got that $2 pumpkin stacker, and then I just got a recycling bin. I was on the way to Target and I stopped the car immediately to go to Big Lots because they have the cutest stuff that you can't find anywhere else. So I'm gonna get some things here and then go off to Target. Okay, I literally gasped when I saw this Nightmare Before Christmas shot glass set. It's only $6 at Big Lots. I work at Disney and I don't really have any Nightmare stuff yet, so I'm definitely getting this. This was the other reason I came to Big Lots. You cannot find these pumpkin delight cookies anywhere else. Okay, so while I was in line at Big Lots, I just remembered that Jade the Libra had a video about a yoga skeleton that was at Michael's, so I think I'm gonna drive by there after Target. There's literally almost nothing left at Target Dollar Spot for Halloween. Like, this is it, and then over there it's Christmas already. It is October 14th. Target has so many cute things, it's so easy to be like, wait, what was I here for again? I got this shelf and I'm gonna hang it in the guest room. I saw the sign for where the Halloween stuff is and they have it all the way at the back of the store. So I'm just gonna check this out real quick and then go to Michael's. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This aisle has all the spooky stuff. So I'm just gonna show you up and down each aisle what they have left. Already there's a lot more Halloween stuff here than at Target. So let's see what they have. Nope, that's literally it. Everything else is Christmas. So I guess I'm going home now. I didn't find any yoga skeletons, but I did find this cute little serving tray. So I'm gonna take this and go home and that'll be it. So I'm home and I'm gonna start by hanging these wreaths on the door and putting this cute little throw blanket I got from Target for $20 on the chair over there. I have these command strips that I'm going to put on the back of the wreath and then put on the back of the door because we are renting and I don't want to lose that security deposit, sis. So I'm gonna do that and then show you guys when it's done. Now all I have to do is literally just stick it to the door and it's done. And the good thing about this is you can peel this off and the sticky part will probably still stay on year round, so you can switch out your decorations if you want to put something Christmassy there in December or something spring like during the summer months. I was just in the middle of building this shelf you guys saw in my home tour, and I got a package and it is my fall pillow covers. I got them for $15 on Amazon and it comes with 3 in a pack. Here are my 4 fall pillow covers from Amazon. I actually don't like the quality of these. They feel like burlap sacks, whereas this one, which I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, it feels like something you would actually want to relax on. But I did get these because this one is basically a fall version of the year-round pillow that I have, which is super cute. But these were said to be 20 by 20, and as you can see, they barely fit into an 18 by 18 pillow. So again, I wouldn't really recommend these, but they are cute if you don't have any other choice. Here is the fully assembled shelf. We already have some books on it, and I got it from Wayfair. I decorated it with this little skull that I've had since college probably. I think I got it from Five Below or the dollar store on the East Coast, but I leave it out year round and I thought it would be super cute as an accent for this bookshelf. Okay, so I think that's everything I'm gonna buy for fall decorations, so let me just jump right into the house tour. That's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe just so Moose will know you liked the video. Thanks. See you next time.